y'all come too. Don't just worry about them, but you come with your mind. I'm trying to tell you something. Change your concept. Quit letting people tell you you under some generational curse. You can't curse what God has blessed. What I must do is change my concept. When I do that, thank you, I am not dependent on any substance. Are you here? It doesn't mean I don't have to protect it, but it means I'm not dependent.
Yes, God.
By the way, you think about all kind of substance, but some of y'all live your whole life dependent on coffee. But you live have a whole attitude because you ain't got nothing to prove. Are you kidding? Change your concept. I woke up on the wrong side of bed. Get rid of that bed and get another one that don't have nothing but good sides. So that no matter how you roll out of it, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad of it. Change your concept.
All right, so I have cleaned the sink out, of course, thoroughly. I know a lot of people have a fetish about putting meat in the sink, but trust me, it's clean. I have seasoned the chicken, which I'm about to let marinate. And it's a lot because my daughter's coming to get a plate after work. So that's that part, and we'll do the rest in a sec. Okay, so I'm gonna catch a break before we cook. And of course it's Sunday, so it's our movie day. We got 2 red boxes. The name of the movies are, oh well, my wife has put one in. The Addams Family, and I'm sure Abominable Snowman. All right, be back a little later. All right, guys, the Abdominal Snowman was awesome. Very heartfelt movie. Alright, guys. Took a pause because some old D-head rang the doorbell talking about, you want me to chop your tree down? Not today, sir. But anyway, about to start frying this chicken. And I had to make accommodations because me and wifey forgot to get paper towels. And I need something to drain the grease. So, yeah. I put foil in that, and then of course we have, hold on. Okay, so the key to crunchy chicken, that's evaporated milk, and of course the flour, which I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning to. Chicken's already been marinated for about an hour or so. And then of course my son has a chicken leg that I'm about to fry him. Got the grease getting ready, and here we go. Okay guys, so you take, we're gonna do one dip because I don't want it too crunchy, but it's gonna marinate. Normally I dip it, then put it in flour, then dip it again and put it back in the flour for double batter. But I'm only gonna do one dip on this chicken, so I'm gonna just let it sit there, and that's how that goes. But first, I have to fry my son's chicken with no seasoning while we wait for this grease to get hot. All right, so this is my son's chicken. Our son's chicken frying first, without the seasoning, huh? Hater. Okay, guys, this is the skillet for my wife's smothered potatoes. Let me take y'all there. Chicken still frying. Smothered potatoes are seasoned and waiting. Yes, God.
Once I started
in the grease. All right, last batch of chicken. Ah, that extra crunch, baby. Churches, Henderson's, nobody got nothing on that. Well, you better be glad I ain't double batter that shit. Wife is stirring up the seasoning, but she had to stop to start the music back. Okay, guys, smothered potatoes are finished. Yes, God. Onions and yes. Guys, we're trying this new candy bar. I forgot the music was on. I'll let y'all see. And of course, we are drinking our Pinot.
Should drink out that
Pinot.
bottle. That's the second bottle.
But y'all see the glass in her hand, though, right?
This is her glass.
That's her third glass. This is my glass.
You
anyway,
had 5.
After church, you guys know.
I poured you 4 and you poured 1. You had 5.
Wow. So anyway, after church, you know, we do our quality time thing, which we, you know, we have that every day, but nothing like Sundays to just kind of chill or whatever. But I'm gonna let y'all see these new Hershey's that we're gonna try. All right, guys. So these are the new Hershey's. They look pretty good. We're gonna see what that's about. Yeah.
I'm making blackened zucchini spears. I cut them in spears, so basically cut your zucchini in 4s. I put lemon juice on, or lime juice on them first, and then you season them however you would like. And then butter and salt. And blacken them to your desired color. Again, y'all know I don't really tell y'all about my secrets because these are my secrets.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even put that on there.
But alright, you know, if you happen to say, you say, but you know, everybody don't season their food like I season my food. Y'all look bland sometimes. Y'all look boring. Gotta get colorful with your food.
You put that on her last time? So, we're gonna let these cook for how long?
It just depends on their desired blackness. Until they think they're ready. There's no specific time.
Oh my God. I think that's becoming one of my favorites besides green tomatoes.
No shit. He got swag this time.
It's Gossin, you made it! Please come in. Make yourself at home.